great Italian recipes.
And now we prepare tagliatelle for 3 people. We need 300 grams of flour and 3 eggs. So every 100 grams of flour we use 1 egg. And this is a pastry flour. It's a 00. In cups, it's more than 2 cups of flour. We make a fountain of the flour and then we put the eggs inside. Then we mix the flour into the eggs. It takes a little time. And then we knead it. We knead it until it's smooth and uniform.
Impastiamo.
We need energy, we need strength.
La liscia e omogenea.
Now here we have Francesca that is kneading the dough.
Una volta impastato facciamo la pallina e mettiamo a riposare 30 minuti.
Then we make a ball of dough and we put it into plastic foil and we let it rest for half an hour. Then we pick it up again and make a sheet of pasta with a rolling pin. Then we put the flour on top of the sheet and we roll it in this way. Then we pick up a knife and we cut it to make the pasta shape of tagliatelle. And now we have our beautiful tagliatelle. Remember to subscribe, comment and like the video.